Hello, my name is Neshva Yalar and I am an Egoscue posture and alignment therapist. Today I'm going to show you some exercise to realign your pelvis and your SI joint. If you have lower back pain, pelvic pain, hip pain, this exercise might help you. Before we get started, what do you need? You need a yoga block or a folded cushion, pillow will work too, empty wall, a mat, and a timer. Some of the exercise we're going to be timing for a minute or two. All right, let's get started. Lay on your back. And we're going to lift the feet against the wall with your toes pointing up to the ceiling. Very important, your knees, ankles, and hip joints are aligned. And also your lower back, your back of the pelvis should be on the floor. It feels like you're off the floor, you can scoot back a little bit. So it takes time to adjust a little bit. Relax your arms, palms facing up, and your arms about 45 degrees from your body. We're going to start with the right leg, rotating the leg and placing the ankle bone right above the left thigh and gently pressing your right outer thigh muscles toward the wall. You're not helping with your hands, you're actually relaxing your arms, but you're constantly pressing the leg toward the wall, realigning your pelvis. Make sure you're not shifting your pelvis or your lower back, so your bones right in the front are level. And I'm going to start a timer for 1 minute here. And if you have, when you're doing by yourself, make sure you time yourself both sides evenly. And you feel any difference right and left when you're holding. There's asymmetry in the hips and pelvis as you keep doing this exercise, and hopefully you'll have more symmetry, more balance on right and left side. It's important that you're relaxing your abs, your shoulders, your neck when you're holding this stretch. And work with your breath. Inhale, exhale. Staying really relaxed. All right, slowly we are switching the side and rotating the other side and pressing your thigh bone toward the wall and then begin holding a minute. Again, make sure your other foot is not rotated. It's very important your toe facing up the ceiling. Your pelvic joints bones are aligned or not tilted. Relax your shoulders. Relax your back, relax your abs. And see if there's any difference right and left. Got 15 seconds, staying relaxed. Take a deep breath and exhale. Staying really relaxed with your breath. And that's it. Next exercise called wall frog. So you might need to get a little bit closer. We are still using the wall. And we're going to try to bring the bottom of the feet together. Very important that you're really touching your heels and toes and you're not like 1 foot up, 1 foot down. And getting as close as you can to the wall, and again your pelvic bones, your tailbone on the floor, and let your knees and hips relax to the side and arms again relax to the side. And we're holding again 1 minute here. You can hold this up to 2 to 3 minutes, and you see if there's any difference right and left. It feels like one side is holding more, or you're feeling more stretch in one side than other. And as you keep working on this one, hopefully you'll have more symmetry. And again, relax your abs, relax your back, shoulders, neck, knees and hips. Relax to the side, your toes facing up, and outer side of your feet, contact the wall. And we are staying relaxed for 50 more seconds with the breath. All right, that's it. Slowly turn to your side and come to seated. Next exercise I am going to show you on the side. And you're going to be laying down on your mat, nice and flat. This one we're going to be counting. So relax all the way down with your palms down and legs straight. Relax your back, relax your abs. You're going to simultaneously lift your left knee, opposite arm, opposite leg. And with your shin bone parallel to the floor and arms moving from the shoulders, elbows straight. And we're going to do this 10 times. And now lower everything down. You're going to go exhale up, lowering your arm down. If you cannot touch the floor, it's fine. Make sure you're not bending the elbow. And your toes facing forward. And you're bending at the knee and hip joint. That's 4. And take it down. You don't have to squeeze your abs, your stomach muscles, all relax. You're promoting hip flexion and shoulder flexion in the same time. And your spine is extended. And 3. And down. 2. And down. Last one. And down. We'll do the other side. Let's see if there's any difference. Palms down, point to toes. Take a deep breath, exhale. Simultaneously lift opposite arm, opposite leg. Right leg, left arm. And when you bend at the knee and hip, your knee joint and hip joint is bending. Right, going slowly. And 6, 7, and down. Exhale up. Inhale down. 2 more. And last one. And that's it. We have one more exercise. We're going to turn on the side. And for this one, we need the cushion or yoga block. Lay on your stomach. We're going to bring your hands underneath your forehead is going to be facing, relaxing on the hands and squeezing the block or the pillow between the ankles. Your ankles flexed. Open your knees a little bit wider. And the goal here, we're going to try to squeeze the glutes, like squeezing your heels against the cushion or the block as you squeeze your glutes. I'm going to try 20 times. Relax your head. Make sure your elbows facing to the side. Relax your upper body and begin to squeeze. 1, and relax. Only squeezing your glutes. Try not to squeeze your abs or your hamstrings or your thighs. It takes practice. Really need to isolate the muscles here. Our glutes are biggest muscles of the body, help to stabilize the hip joint. Keep squeezing. 8 and 9. Try to look for a small movement. If you do too big, you might squeeze your abs or you might change the position of your pelvis. So try not to press your stomach into the floor. Squeezing the ankles toward the cushion or block will help you a little bit. If you can't get much movements, you can open your legs a bit wider. That will help too at the beginning. Okay, 4 more. 17, 18, 19, and 20.
And that's it. These exercises are,
They look easy, but actually pretty hard to concentrate how to squeeze your glutes without squeezing your abs and the rest of the body. Try the exercises if you feel changes on your pain. If you're having less pain, hopefully they're helping. If there's no changes, maybe you need more specific exercises for your posture and functional issues. Then you can always leave me a comment. And I do virtual training, virtual meetings if you like to meet with me. Thank you so much. Have a good day.